All right, hi everybody. In this video, we're going to learn the basic functions and how they work in the P5 web editor. So when you open up the P5 web editor, you're going to start off with two functions, the function setup and the function draw. So what is a function? A function is just a set of statements to perform a task. So a specific set of statements should be in your setup function, and a specific set of statements should be in your draw function, because the setup function and the draw function do different things. So what does the setup function do? So the setup function runs once when the program starts, and that is it. And the draw function runs after the setup function and runs without calling. Like, there's not a command saying run the draw function. The draw function just runs again and again and again and again and again and again and again until the program stops. So let's just enter a bunch of commands here and see what happens. So I'm going to hit play. You'll see the setup, it says create canvas 400 by 400. So that is this canvas right here that we see it. If I make it smaller, see it's 400 pixels wide, the first number, and then 400 pixels high, the second number. Right, I can make it 100 by 400. So it's 100 wide and 400 high. Okay, that's what's happening in this setup. So it runs it once and that's it. And then in the draw one, it says draw the background 220. That's a color. If I just change the number in that color and run it again, it turns a different shade of gray. I can make it like 10. And you see it gets darker as the number gets lower. Okay, so what happens if I want to draw a shape? So if I put a shape command in here, I'm just going to write a rectangle command. I'm starting it at one spot on the screen and ending it at a different spot on the screen. Can I see the rectangle? There's no rectangle on the screen. Like I cannot see anything, even though I told the computer to draw it. Now why is that? Why did this rectangle not draw? It's because in the setup command, it drew the rectangle, but then after that, it made this background a certain color. So the background is actually above this rectangle. If I move this rectangle here, just highlight it and hold Control X, and then paste it below the background, Control V. Now the rectangle is above the background. So order matters when you're putting in these commands. So when the function draw runs, it's drawing the background, and it's always drawing the rectangle after drawing the background. Right? If I put this rectangle before it, the background is still always covering the rectangle. So put stuff that you're going to have to draw continuously in the draw function, and just put things that you just need to set up once, like your canvas size, or even sometimes you want to put your background in the setup function if you only need to draw the background once, right?